Gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja wacho ni sirikand kaunti ma Nairobi biro chako chenro mar muko ute kaachiel kod kuonde uso moger e kuonde ma owinjore pita kakale. Koyango chenro mar kedo kod kodh El Nino e boma ma Nairobi, Sakaja wacho ni ute te ma ogera kama winjo pio ula kadhe ibiro muki. Okang' makama biro tok report mane ogol kod duol mochung' ne gedo e pachoka NCA. Chenro mar muko udi makamago sechaki bore Nairobi ka imedo jiw jo ohala maromo 350 mondo okel yot mar chwalo chenro makamano.
Earlier on, a few months ago, together with Waziri Isaac, when we had buildings collapsing in Kiambu County as well as Kasarani, we went together and we had a meeting with the Building Inspectorate and the departments under the Ministry of Lands. And we instructed the Building Inspectorate to conduct a survey of unsafe buildings in Nairobi. We have received the report, and one of the actions we'll take in some of those buildings that cannot be brought back to standard, the ones that are irreparably, structurally in default, we will have to move people. We have mapped out the hotspots for Nairobi County and the disaster hotspots. Ambapo we know we'll have a challenge during El Nino. We're going to publish that in the newspapers and in the media for the people of Nairobi to know the areas that need to be avoided. We will also publish the number to call